everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is day 19 out of 365 days for improving English together. So how are you all? I hope you are all doing great and your English journey is also going very well. So let me introduce first from this series of my English that I am always detailing my day and how fine I will detail and explain my incident and my day is reviewed in this video. So first of all, start our video from our day. My day is going very well and my starting of the day is also very fine because I took and I set some goals of the day. So I completed half of the goal because I shoot video almost 6 p.m. but my time like 2 to 4 hours studies left. So my goal is going very well as I always taking my current affair class, and then after I am taking my modern history class also and make notes out of it and revise some of the geographical maps note because from YouTube I'm taking geography classes also because Sudarshan sir is like very fine sir and very good sir, and their explanation way is very good. You can also check out their videos and you can take help out of it. Okay, so today I am also telling you some of the tips and tricks that how I am learning and how I had learned and become fluent in English. So this is all tricks that I will share with you because I feel very necessary to share all the things that is necessary for your development in English, because if you learned in early stage that how we can take advantages out of the environment and the things that is accessible to us, and we can take advantages out of it, like I take advantage and benefit from phone itself because whenever I want to talk or learn something I always take support from the phone because phone is the solo supporter in this modern time. So I'm take always support from the tools like ChatGPT, Google and YouTube. Okay, so first of all, how I take help from Google. Whenever I take and I speak any sentence in Hindi and I am seeing that it is unable, I feel unable to convert any sentence in English, I am simply speak with Google that what is this meaning in English and whose sentences come in front of me, and that I'm always giving and doing my hard work towards it because this is so hardworking. Searching any 1 to 2 sentences is very easy in any day, but searching every day and every hour is very hard to us because it is look like very simple but is very hard because we are always want to speak in English and we are always stuck in between that what is this mean in English. So I'm always searching from Google, and then I use ChatGPT also, and I use ChatGPT at lot because it help me personally because Google and all the tools are based on their analytical ability, no analytical ability, but from the saved information that is received by their owner. But ChatGPT is analytical tool and reviewed from all the websites and tools and give conclusion to us, and I'm always searching from ChatGPT that how I can improve in English, and I can give you example like you can talk to ChatGPT like talk me. You can say to ChatGPT that talk with me like your friend, and it will absolutely help you at very extent. So there is one feature in ChatGPT that you can talk with ChatGPT frankly, and it will repeat and response in English only. So this will help you for sure. And YouTube, I see many YouTube videos and I will share in next and in further videos that which video you have to see on YouTube for improving your English, because there are many YouTube videos that is very useful and very important, beneficial for you all. So this is my journey of improving English, and 3 months back I started to speak in English fluently and clearly, and I search a lot on Google, ChatGPT and YouTube that how I can improve English, and it says that you have to correct your grammar mistakes and all the things associated with and if you feel that you're not good at all in, so you have to practice, or you have to proper your mistakes, you have to improve your mistakes, okay? But on any of the platform, no one says me that you have to do only practice, because it not demand any perfection, it demand only practice, okay? So from 13 no 18 to 19 days I am practicing daily on YouTube, because I feel I will not, if I will not practicing English, so it will, no one will come to me to improve my English. So it is ultimately I am only that make improvement in myself. So I learned a lot from my videos and my journey of this improvement. So you can also learn from this journey, and we can learn from others mistake that is done by others, and I am also learning very things from the YouTube videos, and you can also learn, and this is all about my improvement journey. And if you are also joining and also want to improve your English language, you can also join me in this channel. And if you are starting today, so comment day 1 with your improvement. So I hope you are doing well in English, and my all wishings with you all. So thanks a lot for watching my video, and have a nice day. So thank you and bye bye.